I've got my Stihl 032 that had a leaky gas tank. They apparently seal together. There's two halves to them. And I've heard of this a little bit. I did some Google searching, found a couple. There is a guy that has a video of how he took it apart, dug out all the adhesive from around the edge. Like one side has like a rim and the other side has a lip that fits in it. He dug it all out, JB welded it, put it back together. I went a little simpler route, and I'm just gonna check it, and this will be a video to show if it worked or not. There we go, 032 electronic. All right, so you can see all my JB Weld right here. I did the full, so the guy that had it before me, his daughter was selling it for him. And he basically had done the same thing where he took JB Weld or something and sealed it, and it still leaked. So what I did was I chipped off all the JB Weld that he used. I pulled this whole thing apart. Like it took most of 2 days. I had this thing off, and the whole top piece that's all, you know, you have to pull out your AV mounts and the handle, all that kind of stuff in order to get down to where I could get this out and get the coil out as well, so that I could chip off and reapply all of this JB Weld on the inside seal. So underneath the recoil here, there's another part that I won't bother showing right now. But anyway, this gas tank is little. Like, it's just this thing. And this is the halfway point, basically, where it seals. So before I took it apart, it ran. I didn't have it for very long. I checked it out, it ran, and I just kind of stopped at that point knowing that the gas was just draining out overnight. So I'm gonna start it up here, verify that it will still run, and then I will see if the fuel drains out overnight, and I'll let you know. Okay, I added some fuel, not a ton. So far so good. I figured it could be leaking right away, but it's not. Power on, choke on. Okay, that ran pretty well, started up nicely. I don't have the chain on it, so I don't know if the idle screw needs to be adjusted or not. But now I'm gonna just kind of leave it here. I put some fuel in it. I don't have a ton. But last time that I did this, the next morning, the cardboard was wet. I got good bar oil coming out, that's good. Coming out of the right spot too. It's 2 days later. Let's see if there's any gasoline leaking out of that JB Weld. I think it's looking good. That's just the oil. That's the bar oil, because there's no bar on there and it liked to go all over the place. Let's make sure there's still some in there. Yeah, you can see it in there. You can hear it. Woohoo! I love it. It worked.